I'd like to show you some additional functionality using URL fetching and notification callbacks. URL fetching allows you to submit a URL to the location of your media file that's accessible via HTTP. What this actually means is you no longer have to submit files directly to the Speechmatics service like we did in the previous demo. Notification callbacks tells the Speechmatics service to send the transcript to your server once the job is complete. And this means that you're not constantly having to poll our server to say, hey, Speechmatics, is my job done? No. Is my job done? No. Is my job done? Yes, it is. Okay, I'd now like to have the transcript. This is all done more autonomously. Let's have a look at the configuration file. First of all, you'll notice that the top part of the configuration is exactly the same as it was before, which is perfectly fine. But there's two bits of additional data. First of all, we have the fetch data. This contains the URL to a S3 location that has my file. The second part has a notification config that has a specific URL, callback.speechmatics.cloud, which is a server I've set up just to be able to retrieve the transcripts on the way back. And the contents of that notification will just contain the transcript in a textual form like we did before. We're going to use a terminal with curl enabled once again to make this post request to the Speechmatics service. I've pasted my command in that's split across 3 lines. First of all, you'll notice that it's very similar to the previous demo, however this time it doesn't have the data file. Remember, that's coming from the configuration object that we're passing through. When I press enter, the configuration has been validated with Speechmatics and we've provided you a job ID back. Now, instead of polling the Speechmatics service to see if this job is complete, you would literally go to your callback server, which I've enabled through web browser access, and upon refreshing the page, you'll notice that a callback has been made to my server, and I've retrieved the transcript in a textual format as I wanted it to, as you can see highlighted here.